for the most exhilarating gameplay experience since 2012.
Super Plumber!
New intense platforming gameplay, so retro like the classics. Play now!
Or don't, it's up to you.
Let's go! Let's go! Yeah, I love TV. I love to watch those videos, bro. Yeah, I agree, bro. I love watching TV with you, bro. But I have to go to work soon. I gotta go to the big city, like Central City, in a couple minutes. Okay, I go leave for the train now. Okay, bro. I see you later. Bye-bye, bro. Bye-bye. Wait. You still owe me $1. I'm gonna get you. Come here. Oh my god! Let's go. Oh my god! Let's go. Hey, who's that over there?
Oh, hey, just in time too. I needed some help with something.
Hey, who are you doing? Why do you look like that?
I don't really have much time to explain. You just need to come to my building. The quickest way is through the pipes, but don't get caught, okay?
Okay, I go your house.
I'll see you on the other side, okay? And I'll tell you more.
Oh my god! me get out, bro.
Oh, hello.
Oh.
It's nice to see you come out of that alive. That's quite scary in there.
What the hell even was that? That was scary.
That was Shiggy Miyamoto meet. He was scary, and he really doesn't like us because we're retro. So he kill you, and he puts you into a DMCA you. You look weird and
But
different.
why would he do that? That's mean.
Because he's evil, and he's evil, yeah.
Okay, but like, what do you want me at your house for again?
Well, I have a few friends, and let's say Shiggy put a curse on me and my building, and at night now, all of my friends go evil, and I do too, and I can't help it. I get possessed, and you need to go into my house at night, and you need to play the video, and it saves us from the curse, and we become normal again.
If I do this, can you help me get to the city?
Okay, but you need to go now. There's not that much time. I'm gonna turn evil soon.
Let's go.
This is the building. I think I'm a bit scared. Let me try the tablet. In the building!
Hello, everybody. My name is Luigi Gaming 3, and this is my curse busting tutorial. I've heard that you've got a Shiggy Mickey meat curse, and that's bad. I would not like that. So on screen there's some guides for you. These guys you're gonna go against. I will be playing like 3 minutes of Super Let's Go video. Go watch the video. It really curse. Okay, bye bye.
I will help you.
Ow, my fucking head.
We're here. Johnson's throne. John, watch. Now he is turning evil.
Ow, my fucking head, bro. I'm not doing that.
Hello! It's me, your older friend, Mr. Retro. I heard it was your special day today, so I'm calling you from my 1985 phone, and I'm here to tell you happy birthday.
Ow, my fucking head, bro.
For
I'm
you.
not doing
It's your birthday. It's a very special day, and I hope that you are having a wonderful. Happy birthday.
Let's go somewhere
I
else.
love you. Mr. Retro loves you. I can't much for you. Thank you. I hope that you are enjoying being alive. You have a wonderful day. Wonderful day. Thank you. Okay, I go call now. Bye.
Ow, my fucking head, bro. I'm not doing that.
Oh. Let's go somewhere else. Oh. Let's go somewhere
Mario fans will adore
Ow, my fucking head, bro. I'm not doing this.
Oh. Okay, let's go somewhere else.
Ow, my fucking head, bro. I'm not
Oh. Okay, let's go somewhere else.
Ow, my fucking head, bro. I'm not doing this.
Oh. Okay, let's go somewhere else.
Oh my god, you did it. You saved me and my friends. Oh my god, thank you so much, bro.
It's okay, but where's my ticket? I wanna go to the city. Give me plane ticket.
Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Yeah, have this ticket and five dillers.
Hey, $5? Mine!
Oh my fucking
Are you
god.
fucking kidding me?
At least he didn't take the ticket. You can still have that.
Oh, yeah!
3 weeks later.
What are you... Hey, bro. My name is Yes Luigi. The guy from the intro cutscene that owes my brother like $1. Anyway, I just wanted to say thank you for playing the World 1 demo for Super Plumber. I hope you had fun time, and next demo we have World 2 and safe state, so you can save the game and come back later. Thank you for playing my demo though, and I just wanted to say, if you go into the world map and you press like the 9 key on your keyboard, you might see something funny. Okay, bye bye now. Thank you for playing the game. Oh my god! Oh! Yeah! Yeah! Oh shit! Yeah! Oh! Yeah! 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 Oh! Yeah! Oh! Oh! Yeah! 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 Oh shit! Yeah! 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 Oh shit!